And one of the things that Vanguard taught me, I asked them, why did you choose Ansberger to manage your money, to manage one of your funds? And they spoke about the four Ps. So whenever I speak to potential investors, to distributors, to ARIA, I always talk about these four Ps. And the four Ps are when you select a fund house, you must know who are the people behind the fund house. You can say it's a nice brand name, it's an insurance company, it's a bank, but what do they stand for? What do they represent? What is their philosophy of investing, of looking after client capital, a whole bunch of things? And what are the processes that they put in place on the research and investment side that if you say, like we do, that we are value, ethical, long-term investors, show me the research process that reflects us. Show me the portfolio construction process that reflects us. And having built those processes, the fourth P and the most important P, the one that can be judged by, is the predictability of the performance. So if we are a value investor, you can assume that we will underperform when shares like Paytm and Nike and concept stocks are doing well. If we believe that we're an ethical investor and a values investor, you can assume that when companies that are crony capitalism driven are doing well, we're not going to do well. And when companies which are questioned because of their crony capitalism or potential connectivity to governments perform badly in stock markets, then on those days we should do better because our portfolio should not have that given the outcome of the processes that we built in place. And as a fund house, something very close to our heart, I spoke about the be good, do good roots. We've adopted many firsts. We have sacrificed AUM and size of AUM with a view to make a better environment. We've not been rewarded for it in the sense of we're not a large fund house, but I think a lot of things that we have done, SEBI as a regulator has paid into law within 3 years, 10 years, 12 years after we've done it. But these were best practices that we learned in the international market, best practices that we wanted to follow in a be good, do good strategy.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme related documents carefully.